ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு இனோவேஷன் சேனல். நம்மளோட சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். கீழே இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்களோட வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு இம்மீடியட்டாக வந்து சேரும். வாங்க நம்ம இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளார போகலாம். ஹாய் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், டுடே we are going to learn Standard 6 Term 1 Science. So Unit 1 is Measurement. Unit 1 is Measurement. Dear children, what do you know about measurement? What is measurement? Yes, measuring something. So, அளவுகள். So, that is called measurement. See here, International System of Units is given. K is the abbreviation for Kelvin. So, temperature will be measured in K. Temperature, எதில் measure பண்ணுவோம்? SI unit is K. Distance is measured by M. Electric current, that is measured as ampere. Second, time is measured as S. Mole, amount of substance is measured by mole. Kilogram is mass, kg. CD is candle, that is intensity of light. Light measurement வந்து CD ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So, we are having different measurements. Okay children, now you say me, how do you get the measurement of vegetables from the shop? அது எப்படி வாங்குவீங்க measurement பண்ணி? We will measure it through kilograms and grams. Yes. So oil, how do you get the oil? What is the measurement of oil? Liters and milliliters. Good. So liquids are measured through liters and milliliters, and the mass, that is measured through kilograms. Weight is measured through kilograms. So the distance, how will you get the cloth? Cloth எல்லாம் எப்படி வாங்குவீங்க? By measuring the meters. Good. Distance எப்படி measure பண்ணுவோம்? By the meter. So there are, for each and everything there is a different measurement. Let us see that in detail. Now introduction. We have already heard about the words like weight, kilogram, liters, milliliters, kilometer, length, distance, etc. So children, now I asked you know those questions comes under this. In this chapter, let us have a deeper look at the length, weight, volume and time. So in this lesson, what we are going to see, என்ன learn பண்ண போறோம்? Length, weight, volume, time பத்தி நம்ம இதுல பார்க்க போறோம். And the necessity to measure them to do the task given above. We need to know above measurement. The comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities is known as measurement. So what is measurement? So unknown quantities, உங்களுக்கு தெரியாத measurement we are measuring through the known quantity, that is called as measurement. Measurement of a quantity has two parts, a number and its unit. So a measurement வந்து 2 இருக்கு. Now for example, we are getting 250 grams of sugar. So 250ங்கிறது number, grams வந்து unit. So for each measurement what we are having, ஒரு number இருக்கும், அதோட unit இருக்கும். What are the measuring tools that you know? So you say me children, what are the measuring things you know? Name some of the measuring tools, students. Yes, measuring tape is there. Yes, spring balance is there. So measuring tape is used to measure the length of a, that is cloths. So cloths எல்லாம் இதில் measure பண்ணுவீங்க. measuring scale இருக்கு, measuring tape is there. So we will measure through that. Now let us see. Length. What is length? The distance between one end and the other desired end is called length. So what is length? So ஒரு எண்டில் இருந்து இன்னொரு எண்டு இருக்கிறது தான் என்னது? Length. It may be the distance. So it may be the distance between the edges of the books or a table or the corner of a football ground, or even from your home to school. So children, you can see this book, the starting place, and this is the edge of the book. So this measurement is called as length. So this is called as length. So from the top to bottom is called as the length. So like that, it may be whatever it may be, from the starting place to the ending place is called as length. So for example, from your home to school also it is a distance between. So it may be 1 kilometer. So உங்கள் வீட்டிலேருந்து ஸ்கூலுக்கு மேபி 1 கிலோமீட்டர் இருக்கலாம், 0.5 மீட்டராக இருக்கலாம். So whatever it may be. Now the standard unit of length is meter. So standard unit of length is what? Meters. Meters length இதில் மெஷர் பண்ணுவாங்க மீட்டர். அதோட ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் யூனிட் வந்து மீட்டர். It is represented by the letter M. So meter என்னன்னு நம்ம represent பண்ணுவோம்? M. Very small letter, very small lengths can be measured in millimeter and centimeter. So ரொம்ப சின்ன மெஷர்மெண்ட்டாக இருக்கிறதுல இதில் மெஷர் பண்ணுவோம். We will measure through millimeter. That is, you will be having a small size scales. ஸோ அந்த ஸ்கேல்லையே நீங்கள் மெஷர்மெண்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் a small eraser or a pen that can be measured through millimeter and centimeter. Still larger measures, say height of a building, a banner or a lamp post are all measured in meters. So a height of a building, so your house building itself you can take. So unga veetu building eppadi measure பண்ணுவீங்க? It should be measured through the tape. A lengthy tape will be there. Banner, light, lamp post, etc. How to express still longer lengths? So still longer lengths எப்படி measure பண்ணுவோம்? Say distance between two cities or villages or distance between your school and home. It is expressed in kilometers. So smallest meter-ஆ இருந்ததுன்னா it will be measured in, very small will be measured in millimeter and centimeter. So அதை விட கொஞ்சம் பெருசாக இருக்கிறது வந்து மீட்டரில் மெஷர் பண்ணுவோம். More than that, for example, from one place to another place, அதெல்லாம் எப்படி மெஷர் பண்ணுவோம்? It will measure through the distance between everything will be measured through the kilometers. Now let us see the unit of length. 1 kilometer, that is 1 km, is equal to 1000 meters. So this is the unit of length measurement. So you have to by heart this. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So this is the variation between the length, unit of length. Okay children, now you have to convert this. You can see, you can find this kind of these in the max also. Now let us see, measure the length of your pencil. Now for the sure, the lengths of your pencil are not the same. So now children, you do this at your home. You measure your length of the pencil. Take a meter scale. Check lines with marking 1, 2, 3, 4 till 15 till 30 bigger scale. The distance between 1 and 2 is denoted centimeter. It is written as cm. Notice in between 1 and 2 there will be a smaller markings. If you count, there will be 9 such lines. The distance between any two consecutive smaller markings within a centimeter denotes a millimeter, written as mm. Let us now understand more about the three important quantities: length, mass and time. Okay children, now see, this is the scale. Can you find this? So you can find in this scale, see here, this is 0. The first one is 0 and the second measurement is 1. So from 0 to 1, you can find small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is millimeter. Up to 9 it is there, 10th one is 1. So from 0 to 1, it is a centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter, here 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and so on. It goes, see, it is a small scale, so it goes till 15. Can you find? Yes, in between you can see 1 to 9. So these 1 to 9 are the millimeters. 1 to 9 is there, no? So that they are called as millimeters. That measurement is millimeters and the biggest one are centimeters. So this is, by this you can measure the pencil, a small length, everything you can measure through this. A pencil, eraser, so and so on, you can measure through this scale. Now let us see the next. Let us understand more about the three important quantities, that is length, mass and time. From the activity 1, you see that your measurement is different from that of your friends. Also differ different measuring units are used in different countries. So each and the measurement will be changes from one to other. Now see here, activity 1 is given here. Form a group of 5 members. Select one person and other measure height and his height individually using your hand span and cubit. Compare your answer with others. Do you find any difference? Why? Now you all stand in front of the wall and mark your height on the wall. Measure your height with a scale. With differences do you infer? So now you have to find the measurement. So see here, when you go to a pediatrician, you can find this kind of scale, everything. So even using your hand span, you can measure your height. So you can measure the height of the other person. So if you measure, the height will be differ from your and to your friends. So everyone are of not of same height. So everyone will be of different height. So children, you do this activity at your home and find the answer. Now let us see the next. Why do we need SI unit? The sake of uniformity, scientists all over the world have adopted a common set of units to express measurement. This system is called as an international system of units, that is SI unit. So children, so why do we need units? So each and everything we are using units. I told you length unit is meter, so mass unit is gram and kilogram, so like that. So why we are using this? எதுக்கு நம்ம இந்த lengths இந்த மாதிரி particular units use பண்ணோம்னா, so all over the international level, so all over the countries, they will form different units. So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. So all will be of same measurement. So எல்லாத்தோட measurementum same இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான். So they are using the measurement international system, that is called units. So meter na, so it is the measurement SI unit of length is meter na. So this length will be also same meter will be there in US also, in UK also. All the places length is measured only through meters. So overall all the countries they will measure length as meter, mass as kilometer and time in seconds. Okay, so everything should be all over the world, everything should be same. So they are following this kind of SI units. Area of surface is equal to m square. Volume of solid is equal to m3. So now see, next multiple and submultiples of SI units. So what are they? Prefix used in SI units, always remember the base unit is meter, liter, kilogram. So only these three are base units. Corrective measures for measurement. Measurement has to be accurate and the approach has to be correct always. In our day-to-day life, approximation may not have much impact, but it has a larger impact in scientific calculation. So listen, measurement is very important. So every time the measurement should be the right one, accurate, approximate. So in our day-to-day life, we will use only approximate calculation. But scientifically, when the scientists deal, they need an accurate calculation. For example, you can see when a lock and key is there. So if there is a small change in the key, the 1 millimeter change was there in the key, automatically the lock will not open. So that is. So to measure the length of a pin using scale. Now see here. The scale is given. The head of the pin has to be coincide with 0 of the scale. Count the number of centimeters and from there count the number of finer divisions. The count of the division is millimeter. In the above example, the length of the pin is 2 centimeters 6 millimeter. So children, I had taken one scale. So a pin was kept over there. See, the starting point is at 0 and see the ending point, you find out where does it ends. So you can find these, the down one, this is a centimeter and the top one are millimeters. So the length of this pin is 5 centimeter, and where does it end? See, this is the ending point, 7. So 5 centimeter and 7 millimeter is the length of this pin. So like that you can measure different things. Okay, you try this at your home. Now children, you can see this box. So prefix, abbreviation, multiple and submultiple and multiple for meter. So this is deci, d, centi, c, millimeter, m, nano, n, kilometer. So you can find these calculation. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter, and you can see here multiple. So find this and you go through this box. In the given activity, measure the quantities and using suitable measuring units and express them with suitable multiples and submultiples. See, the picture is given. This is the picture of the pencil, length of the tip of the pencil, meter, millimeter. So you want to see length of the pen. Here you want to write the answer. So this all you can do as an activity at your home. Try this at your home. Okay children, now let us see the next. Take care to write the correct multiple. So I showed you where I measured and show you the pin. So pin எப்படி measure பண்ணி காமிச்சேனா அதே மாதிரி இந்த measurement எல்லாமே நீங்க try பண்ணி பாருங்க வீட்ல. Now see, they had given a scale here. So correct reading object is kept here. So like this the measurement should be. Parallax is a displacement or difference in the apparent position of an object viewed along two different lines of the sight. So now correct position of the eye is also important for taking measurement. Your eye must be exactly in front of the vertical above the point where the measurement has to be taken. In the above representation, to avoid parallax error, reading will be correct from position A and C. The reading will be different in erroneous. Doing the measurement, see your eyes, your way of taking measurement, how you are placing, that is parallax error will be occurs. So if you are taking the measurement from this side or this side, it will show you error. So your reading should be in front. நீங்கள் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக அதுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக நின்று தான் மெஷர்மெண்ட் எடுக்கணும். So these sides of measurement, it will give you an wrong measurement. So always your eye should be in front and straight to the measuring object. So this kind of measuring will be, the B will be the right one, A and C will be the wrong one. So you have to measure like B. So you do this activity at home. If you like this video, like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get other videos immediately. Thanks for watching. Thank you.